Pop them hoes. Hold up, wait 1 minute. Hold up, wait 1 minute.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video here on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I get my puff. I'm sorry, I feel like kind of bent down, but how I get my puffs. This video was kind of requested from you guys on Snapchat. I post a lot of pictures with me wearing my hair like this, like a lot. Like here are a couple of them. It's a lot of them. So I decided to do a tutorial on how I actually get my hair like this. Like I said, you guys were requesting it on Snapchat, and I love doing this hairstyle. It's like my go-to hairstyle. I do it literally like at least once a week when my hair is starting to look kind of old and like it doesn't look as good as it did before. So yeah, so that's it for this little intro. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below video requests that you guys want to see from me, because with this new channel I don't really know what you guys want to see, so make sure to leave me requests down below. I know I'm talking very fast. I love you guys so much, and let's get straight into the video. Hey guys. So I know I look very beat right. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's so much better. So today we're going to be doing the tutorial on how I do my high puff. This is not going to be the intro for the video, but maybe I should just stop talking. Okay, so the materials that you guys are going to need is number one, a hard bristle brush. This is just one that you can get from the beauty supply store. Nothing special. This is by Canon Ef. Some people say that you shouldn't use this on your natural hair, but as long as you like moisturize your edges before you use it on your edges, you should be okay. Like you'll be good. Next, you're gonna need some type of oil. I recommend using just like coconut oil. This is argan oil and Moroccan and argan oil. I can't pronounce stuff, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. And then you're gonna also be needing an edge brush, which you can get these from like the beauty supply store. It has like a little comb on the end, and then it also has a brush right here. And then the third to last, you're gonna be needing a wide tooth comb. This is my mom's, but it's mine now, so sorry mom. Some gel, preferably like Eco Styler gel. I wouldn't use like Gorilla Snot. I have that, but like it's just too hard on your edges. I feel like this is a little bit easier on it, so I recommend using some gel of like that. And then lastly, you're gonna be needing a shoe tie, which it's actually in my head right now, so I'm gonna take it out. Oh, okay, this is not good. Alright, okay. A shoe tie. This is actually my best friend's Alicia's shoe tie. It goes to her shoe. But it's like the longest one, and it's like super long, you guys. Like, this is perfect. So those are all the materials that you're going to be needing for this tutorial. I tried to snap, but it didn't really work out. My hair is kind of like already in the shape of a puff because I do these like a lot. So first thing I'm going to be doing is taking some oil. Again, this is my argan oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm just putting like 2 pumps on my hand, and I'm gonna be moist, like rubbing it in and putting it on my edges. Now this is good because you're gonna be putting gel on your hair, and if you have natural hair, like you want to protect your edges and everything, so putting oil on it is gonna, like, you know, make it, I don't know why I keep saying you know, but it's gonna help with you putting the gel on top of it. So you may want to add more depending on, like, you know, how much gel you're going to be using. The next thing you're going to be doing, this is optional, but I like to take out little pieces of hair. I'm looking in the mirror right here. I like to take out little pieces of hair on the side. I feel like it just frames my face, and it makes the hairstyle look better, because it looks pretty like boring. So I like to take out pieces in the back, 2 pieces in the back right here, 2 pieces in the front right here, and the rest are going to be putting it up into a puff. First thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be picking out your hair a little bit. You can do this once the puff is actually in your hair. I like to do it before I put it in my hair, just to make my hair look bigger. And my hair, this doesn't look the best because these are like 6-day curls, so they don't look as fresh and defined as they would if this was like 1st or 2nd day. But this has the most volume. That's why I like doing these on old sets, old wash and goes, old flexi rod sets, whatever you want to call them. So we're going to be picking for a while because your girl has a lot of hair. The next thing you're going to be doing is taking your Eco Styler gel. I like to just take a little dab of it and just put it on my edges. You can put your brush in there. I don't, because I just don't want it to like get all like jelly and stuff, if that makes sense. And I'm going to be just putting it all around the perimeter of my hair. Make sure that you're keeping out the pieces if you decide to do this. Keep out the little pieces that we talked about earlier, because again, it'll just make the look so much more put together, and like you tried a little bit extra more. So now is extra more even a word? Okay, I don't know. Next, you're going to be using a brush like I just mentioned earlier, and you're going to be just brushing your hair. You don't want to go all the way through, or you're like going to comb out your curls. So just brush it up you can just stop like right here, like that's it. Brushing it all the way up, and then that is it. I don't really brush it that much because the shoe tie is gonna like really make it nice and sleek. This is the part where you this is the part where like you actually use the hair tie. I can't really see, so hopefully that's like aligned right. And you're gonna put it on top of those little hairs that we pulled out. Make sure that it's on top of it. So make sure that those are the only hairs that are out. Now you can put it in the back. Some people put theirs in the back. I do mine in the front. I'm gonna align it till it's like even. And then you're gonna, so you have it like this, and you're gonna just tie it. If you were tying a shoe, I'm gonna be pulling it like this, as tight as I can, and pushing it and pulling it. Pushing it and pulling it. So I'm pushing with my thumbs up, and then I'm pulling it. A little tip, if you want your puff to be really big, then don't push it up so much. I'm gonna leave it like right here because I want a big puff. So I'm gonna be leaving it here and then tying it in the back. The more you pull, the smaller your puff gets. The less you pull, the bigger your puff gets. So that just basically sums that up. Tie it twice so that way I can know it's really nice and secure. Then I just tuck the little shoestrings up there. And this is what we have. And so to do the little edges, all I do is I take some of the Eco Styler gel. I just take just like a little bit, and I put it on my edges right here, and I just comb it out. And this is like my natural curl pattern. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. So I just leave it how the natural curl pattern is. I don't like finger coil it. And I'm doing the same thing to all 4 sides. Yeah, I feel like this little extra step is kind of extra, but I feel like it just makes it look so much better. Like, I have a really peanut head, so when I do hairstyles that have to be like a ponytail or a bun or something, I have to pull out hairs on the side to just like take away from how big my peanut head looks. And that is it for the frame of your puff. The last thing we're going to be doing is our edges. This part is optional, but I mean, who wouldn't want to do their edges? It's 2018. Edges is like an essential. I just do little swoops with them. I don't really know how to explain it. I struggle. My edges aren't the best, so I'm not going to like do a tutorial on it or anything because they're really not that good. But they don't look bad. They look pretty alright, so I just go with the flow. And this is the finishing look. I'm going to be picking it out some more just because, again, I want a really, really mega looking puff. You guys can't really see how big it is because, like, I have to sit a certain way for this. But, I'm just going to be picking it out, like, a lot. And this is pretty much the finishing look. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below telling me guys what videos you want to telling me what you guys want to see from me. Subscribe to this channel if you guys are new. Subscribe to my vlog channel as well. It's down below. Social medias, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. You guys know the drill. It's always down below. And that is pretty much it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye guys. Mwah. This is America. Don't catch me slipping now. Is that even the words? It's probably not the words. Oh my gosh, I almost fell.
They take pictures just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous.